So it's been a while since I've actually cooked anything, and finally I'm back on this channel to cook a dish for you guys, and of course it's going to be a halal Korean dish. So today what we're going to cook is the Korean fried garlic noodles. It's one of my favorite easy to make dishes of all time. I've eaten and cooked this dish actually more than once, and I couldn't even remember how many times I actually cooked this. But anytime when I am hungry and anytime when I need a quick fix for my appetite, I'll cook this dish. So it's definitely an easy dish to make. It doesn't take a whole day for you to make this dish, and usually it will only take like about 10 to 15 minutes, and it depends on how fast you can make it. Today I am gonna make a version of this dish that uses Buldakbokkeumyeon as the base for this dish. So you can actually use your udon or any of your favorite noodles to cook this dish, but for just today I'm gonna use Buldakbokkeumyeon, and of course I'm gonna use the original one. I'm not gonna use the ×2 or ×10 or whatever they have, otherwise I'm gonna end up in the toilet, and that is definitely not nice. So without further ado, let's head off to the kitchen right now. Okay, now that we are back in the kitchen, we're gonna cook the Korean garlic noodles, spicy noodles basically, and we're gonna use Buldakbokkeumyeon as the base for this dish. I hope that it's gonna taste great, and I hope that you guys can try it, because I've already experimented with it like numerous times and it's actually very delicious. So let's start cooking. First, we're gonna slice a stick of scallion. We need 9 cloves of garlic, chop them and mince them. And then we need 1 onion and slice it thinly. For this, I'm using 2 shiitake mushrooms and I'm gonna slice them thinly. I'm gonna use 2 pieces of stir-fried beef and chop them down into bite-sized pieces. And now we're gonna make the sauce. So first, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of halal mirin, 1 cup of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes. Next, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, Korean chili paste. And for this dish, I'm gonna do 2 servings. So I'm gonna add 2 packets of Buldakbokkeumyeon sauce, and once done, start stirring. Next, boil some water, add in the noodle once the water is boiled, and remove the water once the noodle is cooked. Now we're gonna cook, so pour some oil into the wok, put in the garlic, onion and scallions, stir them for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then put in the sauce. Stir them again for about 1 to 2 minutes, add in the beef, give it a good stir and wait for the beef to cook. So once it's cooked, put in the mushrooms and the noodles. Keep on stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes, and once it's done, you're ready to eat. Look at that. Isn't it delicious? Are you hungry now? Because I am definitely hungry. Okay, before this, we also made handmade mandu or Korean dumplings, and we steam it, and once it's done, we decide to add it into the dish as well. So if you guys want to know more about how to make mandu, let me know. I don't mind sharing the recipe with you. But if you guys want to order from us, feel free to do so. So that's a quick meal that you can cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Assalamualaikum.